President Donald Trump ordered an end to the separation of migrant children from their parents on the U.S. border Wednesday, June 20. It reverses a tough policy under heavy pressure from its fellow Republicans, Democrats, and the international community. The about-face comes after more than 2,300 children were separated from their parents and adult relatives since May 5 after illegally crossing the border. They were placed in tent camps with no way to contact relatives. Pictures and accounts of the separation sparked outrage and a rebellion among Republicans in Trump's own party. International accusations of U.S. human rights violations rang out. British Prime Minister Theresa May, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, the Council of Europe, and Pope Francis all took issue with the zero-tolerance policy. May said images of migrant children kept in cage-like units were deeply disturbing. Trump said as he signed the executive order, "What we have done today is we are keeping families together. I didn't like the sight or the feeling of families being separated." For weeks, Trump had insisted he was bound by the law to split the children from their parents and that only Congress could resolve the problem. Follow Rappler.com for updates.